Good evening. Today I'm going to talk to you about nesting loops. So nesting loops is just loops, but it's a little bit more complicated than normal loops. Okay, now let's talk about what is nesting. Nesting loops is when a loop is in another loop. So it means maybe you put a loop block here, you put another loop block in. That's what called nesting is. To put another item in a nest. And now in this situation, the nest is the loop block that's on the outside, and the thing that's being put in is another loop block. Okay. So now 3. Why do we use nesting loops? Well, nesting loops we use it in coding because nesting loops, it helps us does things easier, just like how loops do. So for example, in this situation, you have to loop making a triangle. But the twist is there's 3 triangles. So you gotta put the loop of doing this triangle in another loop that's doing 3 times of it. Okay, so now 4, solving some problems. So now the problem here is there's 3 equilateral triangles. So now we need to find the solution to this. And the hint is to use the nesting loops. Okay, let's start. Let's start from here. Okay, normally code here will be move forward, and move forward, no wait. Let's start from here because there's many lines from going out. Let's start here. Move forward, move forward, as you see. To the left 120 degrees, move forward, to the left 120 degrees, move forward. Now we've done one triangle and we have one loop. But the whole thing's not complete yet. If you want to do it again, then you have to maybe turn 100, 180, 120 degrees again. Go here, then go here. I don't know the exact here, but it will take a long time and you have to put 3 loop blocks. But instead, we can do it easier. Now we got the code of one triangle. Now we just need to put another loop, put that loop in another loop block. And that other loop block will have the first loop here on top. So we'll finish the triangle. Then repeat 3 times. Now you have to turn right 120. Turn right 120. And then the loop goes again. Move forward 120, forward 120, move forward. Turn 120 here, and then the code goes all over again. So that is how you use nesting loops. 5, conclusion. So in conclusion, nesting loops is a more complex kind of looping. Nesting loops means one loop in another loop. Nesting loops helps us shorten the code, like how loops help us shorten the code. We use nesting loops when there's many kinds of things we need to loop. Thank you for listening.